The Indian Meteorological Department, or the IMD, has issued a red alert for Mumbai as the city grapples with waterlogging in several areas. Now, between August 15th and August 16th of this year, Mumbai recorded heavy rainfall with average total of 99.6 millimeters in the city. The BMC has advised residents to avoid stepping out unless necessary. Overnight showers have led to severe waterlogging in several parts of the city, including the Milan, Subway, Kurla, Chembur, Gandhi Market, as well as Andheri. Now, rain is expected to intensify in the Palghar from Sunday and continue till August 19th. Well, on this, we have my colleague Sujata joining us on the telecast. Sujata, how exactly is the situation looking like in Mumbai, and how has this impacted day-to-day functions of the city?
Well, certainly, and to start with, we know that last night, since 11 p.m. until morning, till these 6 hours, Mumbai received intensifying rainfall, after which several waterlogging locations in Mumbai were completely, jammed because of waterlogging. And at this point, I'm here at the Andheri subway, one of the regions in the Mumbai suburbs where usually, with just 50 mm of rainfall, we see the subway to be completely waterlogged and shut for traffic, and we saw that happening today as well, where until morning this was completely shut for traffic, and thereafter, now that the water has drained out, the subway has been reopened again. But if the rainfall persists and continues in this manner, the subway can be shut again for vehicular movement. And not just this, but also the IMD has predicted a red alert for the entire Mumbai city, because of which areas like Dadar, Gandhi Market, Sion, and as well as Kurla and LBS Marg are completely waterlogged, because of which, being a weekend, yet the festive season, people are coming out of their homes to enjoy the Dahi Handi festivity. But because of the waterlogging situations, people have been restricted to not go to the areas which are low-lying and where waterlogging can become a problem, and because of which people have been advised by the Mumbai police as well as the BMC to plan their movement accordingly and thereafter leave their homes. And so far, it is in Vikhroli where an incident has been reported where 2 people were killed in a landslide, and thereafter rescue operations are currently underway and 2 people are currently being treated at the hospital. Back to you.